What's crackin', ho? Yeah. Getting money, I'm making noise like an elephant. My past on haunt, money like a grant. Growing big, you small like an ant. I lead the thugs like a rally rant. I don't do the 2 words, I can't. I feel like the top dog, I pant. Roof, roof, proof, proof, roof. When I was young, I started getting into my mama's liquor, trying to bleed, trying to block, not knowing my first mama, really feeling under pressure. Like I started feeling my mind with drugs, it was a lure. At age 15, I started selling, hustling dope. My friends, mom and dad were mad, looking at me because I was their kids. I had them hanging from a rope. Ooh, yeah. Then I met Tiffany and her pussy I poked. Always wearing sunglasses, so guess you could say I was low. Yeah, my adopted dad was always yelling at me at the top of his lungs. I was just a lost kid at age 5, lost my grandpa. And my mom started to stay drunk. I started smoking cigs and drugs, blowing up my lungs and chunks. Yeah, me and Russ hooked up, I started I was always getting harassed by Franklin and Cash with Vice stuck in a tussle. Hustling harder than a mall, I was like a missile.